Have you ever wondered what it would be really like to trade while traveling the world? One of the many benefits of being a trader is the ability to make money from anywhere in the world. As traders, we're making money in our pajamas from any city you like, long before work from home became popular in the last couple of years. And that's what I'm sharing with you today. Come with me and spend 1 week of trading and living in Bali, Indonesia. I'll break down how much money I've made or lost from 1 week of trading, the trading hours here in Southeast Asia, what my daily routine is like, and how much it all really costs, from accommodations to food, activities, and entertainment. If you ever considered moving to Southeast Asia as a trader and have more location freedom, time freedom, and potentially more financial freedom, then this video is made for you. Hello, welcome to my villa here in Bali, Indonesia. Come on in now, let me give you a quick tour. Whew. Once inside, we have the AC, it's so much nicer. So we have the living room here, huge couch for one person. We have the dining area. One of the reasons I chose this villa is because of the huge table. So I can trade, set up my trading station, and just throughout the day, we can all work here. Over here, this is actually a spiral stairs that goes upstairs. We have these very interesting art. You see a lot of these kind of art here in Bali. I don't know what they mean, but it just looks pretty cool. And let's go over here now. This is actually a 3-bedroom villa. This is one of the bedrooms. So very nice here, a queen bed with like a workstation, windows, and a dedicated AC, which is again very much needed here in Bali. Okay, next let me show you the master upstairs. Coming in, this is my master bedroom. So you can see that's quite spacious, queen size bed. I don't know, doesn't matter to me, I'm a small person. One thing I really like about this room is the really Balinese-esque ceiling, high ceiling top, very spacious. And you can see here, this is a traditional Indonesian batik style. So I like that they have like these little like decorations throughout the entire villa. Next, we have a huge bathroom. Double sink, very necessary because I'm one person, but I definitely still need 2 sinks. But out here, this is a statement piece. Are you ready for it? So let's talk about how much this whole villa cost. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and I'm staying for about a week. We're about 5-minute walk from one of the beaches, very, very convenient at the heart of Canggu. This whole thing costs about $175 per night, which is a steal in my opinion for 3 bedrooms in a villa in a pool in such a nice convenient location like this. Okay, I can definitely start to see why a lot of traders love to live and trade from Bali. The hours here are really favorable since the market opens pretty late at 9:30 p.m. local time. That just means you have the entire day until about 8 p.m. to go out, enjoy the food, go to the beach or the gym until you come back to work. This is so different from my time zone back at home in Vancouver, Canada. Back home, the market opens at 6:30 a.m. local time. So that means normally I have to wake up at 5:30 to 6 a.m. and be in bed at night by 9:30 p.m. Yeah, it's definitely kind of tough. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I've switched a lot of my focus to swing trading from day trading since last year. So yes, I still have a lot of swing positions open right now. But I am seeing a lot of day trading opportunities this week as well. It's now around 9 p.m. I came home, I showered, and I ordered delivery for dinner. And now I'm getting ready for the market open in about 15 minutes. So that's the thing about trading here in Southeast Asia. You kind of have the whole day to be out and do your things and enjoy life, quote unquote. But that means you need to start working or trading in this case pretty late. It's gonna open at 9:30 p.m. Usually when I'm back home in Vancouver, 9:30 p.m. I'm like already getting ready for bed. Okay, now it's 10:40 p.m., about 1 hour after the market opened. And I'm pretty much done for the day. The day started out kind of slow. I had a small red trade down about $200, but now we are ending up green. Pretty decent day so far. So let me show you how I did. Okay, so there were two tickers I was focusing on today, Tesla and Shopify. I ended up only taking the trades on Shopify only. So, today they have some really decent news. Stock was going to be included in NASDAQ 100. So that's huge news. So I waited for the stock to pop, sell off, and you can see I took a loss first down here, took a loss, and I re-entered after reclaiming $100 and went up to 103 and scaled on the way up. So for this trade, I made about $1,200. And this is another account I traded, the exact same trade. You can see the execution is exactly the same as before. And for this one, I made a total of $2,200. So the grand total on the day so far from trading, I made about $3,400. Not bad for just 1 hour of work. Good morning, guys and girls. I woke up pretty late here in Bali, usually at 9:30 to 10 a.m. in the morning. Because I stay up pretty late at night when I'm trading. Usually I'll finish trading at around 11:30 p.m. to midnight. Today we gotta go get some work done. But first, coffee. Now we headed down 5 minutes down the road. There's a really cute cafe and we're having brunch/breakfast. We have coffee, we have fruits, we have some proteins and eggs. It's a really nice spread. And that's one of the reasons I like about our area so much. If you just walk down the street, there's so many food options, restaurants, cafes. You never run out of food to choose from. I'm now at a co-working space, gonna try to get some work done, document my trades from yesterday, doing some journaling, and answering some emails. It's nice here, it's really spacious. There's a pool, even though I probably won't be using it, but there's even a small gym. There's some quiet room here for work. And I think the key is that it's not too crowded, unlike many other bigger co-working spaces here. So I'm liking it here so far. All right, now I'm gonna try to get some work done, and we'll talk to you guys in a couple hours. Okay, day 2 recap. Today I definitely traded a lot longer than yesterday. I traded until pretty much 11:30 p.m. So traded for 2 hours after the market opened. It's a tougher day. I started out with a red trade down about $1,900 and I completely messed it up. I had a bad entry, I had a bad stop out, and you're about to see on the chart, after I got stopped out, the stock just went up higher. So this is the loser on the day, FSLR. You can see that I was down about $1,900. Got in after a huge daily 200 SMA breakout around 186s. And of course, when it pulled back, I stopped out pretty much right at the bottom, as you can see. After I stopped out at 180, the stock went up higher, back to my entries at 186 and continued over to 192s. So yeah, I completely messed up on this trade. The other ones I did a little bit better. Coinbase, small little long, trend join long. Of course, I sold a little bit too early, but that one was about $600 on the day. A couple other trade here. This is my biggest winner on the day is Nvidia. This one was the best executed, but I didn't get as much share size as I had wanted. It didn't give me the entry I want, so I sized in small around 126, 127s, sold into 128s, re-entered at 129s, and sold into 130s over here. So this one was the trade that got me green on the day. I made about $1,600 on the day. But yeah, as you can probably tell, I'm not very used to staying up so late. It's almost midnight. It's way past my bedtime. So I'm gonna wrap this up and I'm gonna sleep, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, Bali sounds all sunshine and rainbows and pretty beaches until reality hits. There's a lot of inefficiencies here. Of course, nowhere is perfect. For example, my master ensuite bathroom did not have any water from day one. They fixed it immediately, but the toilet still wouldn't flush. They fixed it, but it broke again the next day. And believe it or not, this cycle of fixing it, breaking it, fixing it, breaking it, this cycle happened 2 more times. So I had enough. That's it. We are moving. Yeah, I just gotta show you guys the reality of living and trading here in Bali, because there's definitely some issues like this that you should consider. Day 3. Today is officially the first red day of the week. I'm down about $600 or $700. Overall, I just wasn't in the best mental space. I'm tired from last night, from all the moving this morning. But there was a lot of platform issues with Dash Trader Pro today. So I just couldn't get anything going. So I'm glad I kept the losses small. I wish I was green, but I just have to accept it and move on. After a really tiring day yesterday with the move to a new villa, today I wanted some time to relax. After lunch, I took the scooter to a brand new gym that just opened 2 or 3 weeks ago. The gyms here in Bali are definitely next level. You get the state-of-the-art equipment. We definitely don't have anything close to this level back home in Vancouver. Equinox just doesn't compare. But these luxury gyms here in Bali, they're definitely not cheap. A day pass was $30 US. And a monthly all-inclusive pass was $215. Is it worth it? What do you think? Let's do a grand tally of how much money I made from day trading this week here in Bali. And also, I'll break down my costs and all the living expenses here as well. So day 1, it was the best day from trading. I made $3,478 from 2 trades on Shopify. Day 2, it was definitely choppier. I went red to green with $334 profit on the day. On day 3, it was a red day, unfortunately. I lost about $652. I messed up pretty much all of my trades that night. It was not a good day. Day 4, I made $2,158. This was the last day of trading this week because I didn't trade on Friday. I went out and partied with some friends I met here. So the grand total profit from trading this week in Bali was $5,318. Now, how much does it cost to spend 1 week here in Bali? Here is a breakdown of all my expenses, all in US dollars. So what do you think? Is trading from Bali or Southeast Asia for you? Where is your dream country or city to move to as a trader? Feel free to share with me and other traders watching this in the comment section below. For me, I think I could see myself staying here short term for about 2 to 3 months at a time. But I probably won't stay here all year round. What do you think? I actually made another video breaking down the pros and cons of trading from places like Thailand, Spain, Dubai, and other countries, and the potential tax benefits that you could save. So make sure to check it out over here.